Julie, so excited. Just can't hide it. Why? Because she just bought this thing. So now we have a
ATV.
side by side.
My UTV.
Ride around on the farm. I think it's more of a toy to ride around with the grandkids and to work, but we'll tell everybody it's for work.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So we will find a spot for speakers. Yep. And radio. Yep. Maybe a light bar up there. Yep. Yeah. She buys it. I play with it. That's how it works. Right?
Right on.
All right. So there we go.
Yay!
Next video will be getting it home. Hey, there she is. It has arrived. The cattle Cadillac. That's what we'll call it. A cattle Cadillac.
Cattle Cadillac. There
Even though we don't have any cattle, we got the Cadillac. All right. Well,
All right.
park it before we run out of gas because it ain't got no gas in it.
All right.
So this
You got
is
the door shut?
No. All right, here we go. Our next piece of equipment for the farm.
I can't see what that light button
Sure, it'll be more of a toy for the kids than it will be a working piece of equipment, at least for the first winter, because we don't have any cattle.
Where do you want it?
In the barn. I guess I should go open the door, yeah?
Yep.
All right. So Tiffany told me that Liam loves our videos. So Liam, if you're watching, you got to come go for rides with Great Dave. All right, we're gonna open the door, put it away, and that's a wrap. The next piece of equipment on the farm.
Woohoo!
Come on. See if she can squeeze it. Can you squeeze it through here? I gave her a tough test on her first day of school. Will she pass? I know she won't hit her Tahoe. I just hope she don't hit my Mustang. Yes, we keep our ponies in the barn. Look at that! She passes the test. All right, that's a wrap. Now getting it out of here will be a better trick.